All right, so wanted to take the time today and just do a little bit of an overview on how quick is actually done. And I think one of the best ways to do these tutorials is live so people can see it really doesn't take that long, especially when you're thinking about, okay, well, what am I going to do for a Twitter chat video or a shorter video, maybe 30 to 60 seconds long. I really wanted to be able to show you guys how simple that was to make that happen. So what we're going to do is I've pre-recorded just a very short video clip that I'll show you how quick processes it, how easy it is to get the content in there, and then what it looks like when you're transcribing and making things happen. So let's get to it. First thing you're going to do when you've got your profile all set up on Quick, you're going to come into the tool and it's going to look something like this. And you can tell right away down here you've got your section that shows, oh, well, you've got this many minutes left to use. I've got a pile of minutes in here to use, so that's great. All you've got to do, it's very quick and easy. Just go in here, find your video wherever it may be. Just leave it. It honestly just takes a couple seconds to upload that video. We're talking, again, a 30, 60 second video. Usually it's less than a minute to upload. I've gone as long as 10 minutes, and 10 minutes usually takes maybe a minute or two, but still relatively quick as far as the upload process goes. As soon as that's done, you're going to get that upload complete. All you got to do is hop into video management. You're in here. Here are all the other files that I've worked on or am processing currently. So it just keeps that queued for you. Depending on how you organize things, especially if you're a YouTube creator, it's going to be a lot easier for you to just sort through it and go, oh yeah, I need this. Or if you ever need to go back to it and you don't have it stored on your hard drive, it is available here for you with the captions that you've put on it. So you can see right now, it's still transcribing. So it doesn't take too long. Typically, I'll just keep refreshing the page and making sure that, okay, it's working, it's going to come. And what it's doing right now is it's just processing the whole file. It's going through it and adding in what it thinks the caption should be for the video. Once that's done, it's just going to be a quick, easy, here's how you filter it, here's how you change it, here's how you add in your layers and your different fonts that you want to use or anything of that nature. So one of these files, so these are the ones that are already complete. Well, that one's transcribing, just to give you a feel for what this looks like. So when you come in here, these are the short ones that I do for my vid chat that I do every week. And you can see that it's just this really easy layout to see. This is one side of the layout. You'll see all these crazy buttons over here, but one side of the layout is the edit feature, which is what we're in. It shows the video alongside what you're doing. So if you're watching this and you hit play, it's going to show you, okay, well, this is syncing up. This is how this works. Is that what you want? If so, great. If not, how do we make that work better for you? How can you go in and change it? Changing the captions, it's just simple word. So in and out like this, real simple. As far as the style options, those are all here and available to you, so that's pretty easy to do. Let's go back here. Okay, bam, ready to edit. So you just click that button, head on in. So here is the video we are working on, and just hit play on this.
So this is just a sample video to show you how quick it works and how the captions
Okay, so that's there. I don't want to put both audios on because I've got the Periscope up here to be able to see what's going on, and there's going to be feedback if I do that. So, but you can hear the audio from the video, and you can see that it's produced some pretty basic captions there for you. And the beauty of this is that was done for me. It took nothing. I could have been off doing something else with the video, creating a thumbnail, whatever else if I'm a YouTube creator. It's really, really simple as far as that goes. So I just go through the text really quick. I just scan to make sure that it makes sense. This is just a sample video to show you how Quick works. Now, Quick, I know that Quick is, that's obviously they've used the word there, but I know that I'm talking specifically about Quick in this, so I just make that quick change. and how the captions actually do a great job capturing what you're putting out and how easy. So this one is clearly, when it's highlighted in yellow, that's because I wasn't quite clear on what I was saying. And so what this is doing is it's saying, hey, just a heads up, we're not quite sure this is right. So give it some feedback and make sure that you've got it figured out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hop down to this section. So it's in the 7 range. By selecting in here, it's going to move the video to the segment that I'm looking at. Give it some feedback and make sure that you've got it figured out. So what I'm going to do is here is I'm showing how quick it works off down to the section. So capturing what you're putting out. By selecting in here, it's going to move the video to the segment that I'm looking at. So it's not can be freed, it's can be to put captions onto your video. Sorry about the double up on that. It says I've got Periscope muted, but Periscope audio is still coming through. So not a problem. Can be freed, it can be to put captions onto your video. Sorry about the double up on that. It says I've got Periscope muted, but Periscope audio is... Okay. Now I understand where that's coming from. Not a problem. Okay, so what we're looking at then is we've got this all fixed up. Easy can be to put, we'll get the right caption on that, captions onto your video. That's it. It's done. Now you can head over here, and this is where you can start to play with this. So for me, I like to have a very specific style to how my videos look. I like to use the same font. I like to use the same... I like to use the same sizing. I like to use the same colors. So I have all of that saved in another file. I recommend that you do that. So for me, when I go in here, I know that I'm selecting Futura Heavy. Depending on which platform, just take note of where the play options are on whatever platform you're using. Sometimes it's going to make more sense to have your captions up top like this. So that's real quick and easy to change. Top, bottom. You can make them go, I want it top for this video. I typically like them 20 or bigger. It just makes it easier to pop and you can see what's going on. This is going to let you select your color. I've got a pre-selected color that I use for most of my... Oh no, that's for the font. So this is your font color. For that, typically I just want it white. This will let you move the captions to either side. Typically I just like to have them in the center like that. The padding option from the top, this will adjust how big or how little that gap from the top is. So you'll see how that moved this down. And you can move it right back up. You can make it 10. And that's going to move it right back up. Anywhere from 10 to 20 is okay. For me, 20 is probably a little bit better. It just gives you a little bit of a gap from the top of the screen. But it's super simple to use. And then all you've got to do at that point is choose your background settings. So the background is what's going on behind this. For me, I like it the full. I like it the shadow. Typically, I am going to pick this one here, actually, that gives you that nice colored box in the background. And then we'll go in here, put in the color, and here's just some different options that you can have for it. It just changes the size of the box, but really I just like to keep it tight to the font, so I'll keep it to the first one. And that's it. It's actually done. That took like 5 minutes maybe to do the video. The same process works for longer videos. It doesn't take that long, especially when you're not explaining. So I could throw this together probably in seconds if I didn't have to explain step by step by what's going on. So now that it's done, you just click finalize video. It's going to say completed. You go here again. You'll just wait a couple seconds for it to be finalized. The really cool feature with Quick that I love on this is when you go into any file that's already completed, you've got an option. You can download the SRT file as well as downloading the video. So if you got the finalized video, that's great. But if you're a YouTube creator or if you're somebody on LinkedIn video and you want to make sure that the SRT file is there and available as well, that's got some search reasons for that. The more info that you're giving the search engine through an SRT file, the better it is that you're going to be found. But you can see that it's already done. It's compiled and ready to go. So now it's just a matter of clicking this, choosing where you're going to save it, and you're done. That video is on your desktop, ready to go. So video's done. There it is. Text is there. I can upload that anywhere. It's that easy. It's fast. It's simple. It doesn't need to be difficult, and it is there and ready to use. So if you are interested in using Quick, just let me know. I will shoot you off the link where you can sign up. You can start using the tool. I use it now exclusively to do the captions. It's just so simple. That's it for today, those guys. If you have any suggestions for live tutorials, you want to see how I do something, whether it's with Canva, Premiere Pro, Quick, you name it, social media platforms, Agorapulse, you name it. If you have tutorials you'd like to see me do, I'm going to try to hop on live more often here on Twitter. This is one function of the Twitter video that I'm not using as much as I could, so I'd love to hop in here. If you have suggestions, leave them in the chat comments. I will pull them and I will see what I can put together for you. Have an amazing Tuesday, guys, or Wednesday. We're on Wednesday already. Have an amazing Wednesday, guys. I'll probably cross your path somewhere in a Twitter chat.